Hello YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative. How you guys doing today? Thank you for watching and subscribing and liking my channel. And today I have a haul from Tuesday morning. And I have a couple paper pads and some embossing folders and dies. This is the Authentique 6x6 paper pad. Very retro, double-sided. $2.99 and $2.49, excuse me. That is the SKU. Michael's Recollections doilies were also in there, and that is the SKU, the large ones. This is the Jack and Jill paper line by Echo Park. And that is their number. And of course, you can take the SKU and you can call the 1-800 product number, and you can find out if that paper or whatever item I show you is in their particular store. I found this different set of Simple Stories, Reset Girl. So I got that, and that is the number. And that is the back side. So that was a nice fun collection. All those nice cutter pots. And I got this paper pad as well, and that is the number over there. All those fun circles. And these actually can be punched out with a hole punch and used on different embellishments as well. And it's double-sided. And then I got these for 99¢. These gem enamel rhinestones. So a couple of Boston photos. And this haul is a couple of weeks old. I just hadn't had a chance. I had to redo the video, so I had to redo it. But anyway, that is what the embossing photo looks like, and that is the number, and it's the A2 Darice, so it's a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 size. That's the SKU for this one, the butterflies, and that's how that one looks. And this is the SKU for the lanterns, and that is how that one looks. Actually goes this way. Again, they were all A2 size. Did get this one. I have something I want to do with this one. So you'll see that project coming up soon. That's the SKU. And that was Studio Calico. And these were just 99¢, but these can be used in ephemera. These have been around for a while. And I will show you that SKU. These have been out for a while too by Jelly Bean. These little placemats. And that's what they look like. And this stamp set by Heid Swapp, and that was $1.99. Great for planners. And I think I have that. So I'm going to double check, and that's going to go back if I do. And some more carpe diem. And that's what those look like. And the matching paper clips. That's that number. These are great for planners. These are some pretty layered stickers for $1.49. Petticoat stickers. And for the dies, I just got a couple of these. And this is by Sizzix, and the number right there is 660397. If you're ever in the store, I always like pull up those numbers and check and see kind of like inspiration. See what people have used that die for. That is the number. So sometimes when you're on the fence trying to decide, because sometimes the dies in the packaging don't always convey the cuteness of a particular die. That's that one, and that is, you can see that, the Sizzix SKU number as well. And then last but not least, I did get this one by Stephanie Bernard. And I got it, man, it's 24, but it has a lot of different pieces, if you can see on the inside, a lot of different sentiments. You probably can't see too well, that you can use. So those pieces don't have to stay just with that particular die. Anyway, thanks for liking and subscribing and watching, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.